Diatomite is quite a find. It is often difficult to get good fossil specimens, and it's often difficult to get good protist specimens. So, if you're doing fossils or doing biology classification and protists, I'd throw this in here for sure. This is quite a find. So, this one here has lots of little tiny silicon dioxide skeletons of diatoms, which are protists. And you can see it's like softer than talc or chalk. It just rubs off onto just if you touch it and it just flakes off, and it's as light as styrofoam. It's probably feels like the lightest thing I've ever lifted. And so what that is actually a hardness of 6 on the most scales, 1 to 10, because the silicon dioxide shells themselves are quite hard because they're like quartz, right? But realistically, they're just little tiny pieces that just fall off everywhere. It's a sedimentary rock made of these little protists. And if you do the by 100 lens oil immersion, so that's by 10 eyepiece, so that makes total of by 1000. You can see how intricate these little shells are. And they are repeating little nanostructures, so they do diffract light a little bit. You can see some colors in there, perhaps. And so that's like super cool. Hopefully you get to look at that either when you're looking at sedimentary rocks, or if you're doing fossils, or if you're doing classification in biology. Hopefully one of those topics will give you an excuse to have a look at some of this, because it's quite an excellent thing to look at for several reasons.